नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। सो आर यू समवन स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट इनटू उत्तानासना? आर यू स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन द फ्लोर? डोंट वरी, आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू आउट। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे आसनों की जो हेल्प करेंगे फॉर अ डीपर फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड, फॉर अ डीपर उत्तानासना। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स डाइव इन। Let's learn the meaning of Uttanasana. Uttana is an intense stretch and asana is the posture. So it is an intense forward fold asana. Now let's learn the muscles involved in Uttanasana. The primary muscle involved in Uttanasana is the hamstring muscle made up of bicep femoris, semimembranous and semitendinous. Then the muscle involved is the calf muscle, the gastrocnemius and the soleus muscle. We also hinge forward, and for that we need a flexible hip flexors for allowing a greater range of motion. We need a flexible erector spinae so that we can lengthen the spine as you fall forward. Now let's learn few asanas that can help us attain a deeper Uttanasana. The first asana is the Adho Mukha Svanasana or the downward facing dog. Now this asana stretches the posterior chain, that is the hamstring muscles, the calf, and it also lengthens the spine. Now these muscles are very important for a deeper Uttanasana. Now this asana will also help you engage the core and open the shoulders, providing a full body stretch. The next asana is the Supta Padangushtasana or the reclining hand to big toe pose. Now this asana targets the hamstring muscles, the calf muscles and the lower back. This pose isolates the hamstring, allowing you to stretch them effectively without the influence of gravity. This is going to help you increase the hamstring flexibility and you will be able to find it easier to fold deeper in a Uttanasana. The next asana is the Pasvuttanasana or the pyramid pose. Now this asana beautifully stretches the hamstring, calf, spine while also strengthening the legs. Now this is a very important asana. It provides a great way to practice hinging from the hips with a straight line. It also emphasizes balance and stability, which is crucial for a controlled and safe Uttanasana. The next asana is the Ardha Uttanasana or the half forward bend. Now, as the name suggests, Ardha, this is the half Uttan. This also engages the back muscle, elongates the spine and stretches the hamstring muscle. This is a variation of a Uttanasana that helps you improve the awareness of your spinal alignment. So by practicing the Ardha Uttanasana, you can maintain the length in the spine even when folding forward in Uttanasana. Last but not the least, the Prasarita Paduttanasana or the wide-legged forward fold. Now in this asana, you are stretching the hamstring muscles and you're also stretching the inner thigh muscles known as the adductors. You're also stretching the erectile spinae that helps you maintain a neutral spine alignment when you go down. Now this asana is going to help you in Uttanasana because in a wide leg Prasarita Paduttanasana, it allows for a greater release of the hip flexor muscles compared to Uttanasana. So it helps you reducing the tension in the hips, allowing for a deeper forward fold. Also, you're stretching your hamstring muscles, which is a paramount muscle required for Uttanasana. The adductors are stretched more intensely in Prasarita Paduttanasana, which helps in opening up the inner thighs and therefore it supports a more balanced forward fold in Uttanasana. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this useful and if you did then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही योगा फ्लोज डालती हूँ, कुछ ऐसे कॉमन डिजीजेस जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है, उस टाइप की वीडियोस मैं अपने चैनल पे डालती हूँ. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. ऑल्सो अगर आप एक नए योगा टीचर है और जिसको बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है अपनी योगा जर्नी को आगे कैसे लिया जाए, देन प्लीज़ फॉलो आरोग्यम योगा एंड वेलनेस by Saptashikha, वो अपनी YouTube वीडियोस में ऐसे ही कंटेंट डालती है जिससे आपको बहुत बेनिफिशियल और हेल्पफुल हो अपनी योगा जर्नी को आगे ले जाने में। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते।